I have one more secret ingredient to enhance the flavor of this soup, which is one pinch of tong choy.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today is one of those days I want to make something quick, but I have no idea what I want to make. But I already taken out some fish, so I guess I will probably make a very quick fish soup. So I'm going to start with making a very simple soup base here. 3 bowl of hot water here. Bring it to a boil, and put in. This is actually the ikan bilis anchovies. Yeah, there are some anchovies inside the tea bag. Let it cook for at least about 5–10 minutes. While waiting for the soup base, I have a piece of prawn-filled fish here. I'm just going to quickly cut into cutlets. This is a white prawn foot, probably about 250 grams. And I already washed it. Ooh, this fish is sweet and tender. Done, and I'm going to marinate it with some salt. Just to further help to remove the fishiness of the fish, I'm adding in some fresh coriander roots here, as well as few pieces of ginger. I noticed I had some leftover white cabbage yesterday. Today I'm cooking leftover foods. I'm just throwing in the white cabbage. Okay, I confess, Appa confess, I'm trying to clear my fridge. So just now you saw Appa cutting up this prawn-filled fish. Problem is, my wife doesn't like this, so I added some tiger fish fillet here, which I just cut. And we are going to marinate it also with a little bit of salt. And pepper. Now if you want to make the fish even more smoother, what you can do is to add in some cornstarch. People don't normally add cornstarch for prawn fruit, but for fish slices, yes, very common. Or you can also add in some egg white. This is after approximately 5 minutes cooking. I can smell the anchovies flavor. And as you probably know, if you are following Appa for quite some time, a very good soup base is actually made out of a combination of different kinds of bone or meat. So now we have the anchovies. I'm going to add some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. So this will be a combination between chicken stock and also anchovies. Yeah, beautiful. Immediately it becomes another level kind of soup base. Right, now we can actually add in the prawn-filled fish. Who else also likes prawn-filled fish like Appa? Leave your comment below. Or who also hated prawn-filled fish like my wife? You can also leave your comment below. There's no right or wrong. You don't have to explain to me why you like certain thing or why you don't like certain thing. Just like fresh coriander, some people love it, some people hated it. There's no right or wrong, alright? Especially when it comes to home cooking, it doesn't really matter. Just cook the things that your family likes to eat. You want to cook the fish for probably about, I would say, 2–3 minutes. Shortly, I will put in the fish slice. That one will get cooked easier, faster. I have one more secret ingredient to enhance the flavor of this soup, which is one pinch of tong choy. This is a secret weapon for Chinese, especially. This is how it looks like. Tong choy. Ta-da! Any brand will do. I think I have enough flavor from the anchovies. I'm going to take the anchovies out. And now I'm going to add in the fish slices, marinated fish slices here. Don't let it, now the trick here is do not let it boil. Now, from now on, after you added in the marinated fish slices, you let it simmer for about a minute or two. Let it slowly get cooked. Then it will remain very, very smooth and slippery. Yes, very, very tender. But I have one more thing to add. I'll show you. We also need to season this with a little bit of salt. And our fish is basically done. I'm going to add in some fried garlic to enhance the flavor. Ooh, or you can use fried onion as well. And few dashes of white pepper. Done. Our beautiful fish soup, clearing fish soup is ready. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa's fan page, you click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. I know I may sound very, very chincai when I'm cooking, as I'm cooking this particular dish, but I assure you, it will taste really good. Go ahead and give it a try. Bye-bye.